Good morning, Ash class. It's Thursday, the 7th of May, and it's time for some maths today, you'll be pleased to hear. And today we are learning all about doubling. Have you heard that word before? Double or doubling. Where have you heard it before? Interesting. When we double is when we have two of something, but the two somethings have to be the same, have to be equal. So if I want to double my 2 apples, I need to add the same amount again. So I need to add another 2. Double. So I've got 2 times. 1 time, 2 times. They're equal. I've got the same amount of apples in each hand. They're equal groups, and I've got 2 of them. So I've got double 2, which altogether totals 4. And if I have got 1, 2, 3 lolly sticks, and I want to have double, I need to have the same amount again. So I need to have 3 again. I need to have 3 2 times, and it needs to be 3 because it needs to be equal, doesn't it? So 1, 2, 3. There we go. Is that double? Double. Let's have a look at some doubling tasks today using our whiteboard. Okay, so we are learning about doubles today. This word at the top says double. It's our key vocab for our maths lesson. And first of all today we are going to double my buttons. How many buttons do I have in my group? 1, 2, 3, 4. I would like to double my buttons in this square over here. So how many should I have in this square over here to have double? The same again. So if I've got 4 in this one, to have double, I need to have an equal amount. I need 4 2 times. Have I done that correctly? Thank you. 4 in this box and 1, 2, 3, 4 also in this box. I've got the same, I've got equal amounts in each box. So I could write that as 4, add 4. I added another 4, didn't I? So altogether, all the buttons I have on my whole page is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'll try and squeeze the 8 on the end there. 8. There we go. So double 4 is 8. Thank you. I've done that correctly. I'll give myself a tick for that one. This next one I'm not so sure about. I tried to double my pasta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if I was going to double my pasta, how many should I have on this circle over here? I should have an equal amount. I've got 5 over here. I'll write 5 just to remind myself. Now, you tell me, have I done this correctly or not? Oh, no, I've made a mistake. What should I do to make it double? Oh, they need to be equal, don't they? So I should actually have 5 in here because I've got 5 over here, so I need the same again. So actually I need to add 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks equal to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 2 times. I have got double 5. Happy with that? But what's my total then? So double 5 all together is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 I know I write with a 1 and a 0. 10. Okay, thank you for helping me with that one. I got a bit confused there. Now I've tried to double my B's in my triangle. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 B's. Have I done this one correctly over here? Oh, thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 B's. And I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more B's. Have I got 2 equal groups? Yes, I've had 6 and I added 6 again. I've got 6 2 times. 6. Now actually, because I know I've got 6 in that group, I don't need to count it again because I know I've got 6. So I'm going to go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I know I write 12 with a 1 and a 2, and if I forgot I could always check on a number line, couldn't I? Right, thank you. Now there's lots of different ways of writing doubles. Over here I have got my goldfish. I've got 2 goldfish in my bowl and I doubled it by adding another 2. So I could say double 2, 2, add 2. And I could say how many I have altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I could say double 2 is 4. And that would be correct. I could also use this cool model here, which is called the part-whole model, because numbers can be made out of parts. They can be split into different parts, and that's what we're doing. That's what we did. So we had 2, which was one part, and we doubled it. We had another 2 to make a bigger total whole number. So 2 and 2 together we're making 4. So we double 2 to make 4. And that shows us that 4 is made out of 2 2s. So that's quite cool. I like the part whole model. It's a nice one to use. Over here I've got 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Double 3, because I've got 3 twice. 1, 2, 3. So it's 3, add 3. Go on then, tell me what the total is. Brilliant. Love it. Let's move on. Double. Now here we've got our dominoes. We've got 2, so it's going to be double 2, and we know that's 4 because we did it before, didn't we? I can remember that from earlier. So what's the number sentence going to be then? Okay. 2 add 5. No, it's got to be the same if you're doubling, hasn't it? So it's got to be 2, and we know the total's 4 because we've done it so many times by now. And you can also do it on a number line. If you're a year 1 and you know how to jump in groups of 2, which I know lots of you do, you could even do it like this. 2, there's my one group of 2. 4, there's my other group of 2. There you go, double, 2 lots. 2 equal lots. And you could do the same for 5. So here we've got 5 and 5. So we're going to have double 5. And our number sentence is going to be what? 5 add 5. Go on then, what does it total all together? What's the whole? Going to be 10. Excellent. And if you're a year 1, you can do jumps of 5, some of you. So you could even, just like we did with our 2s, we're not going to jump in 2s because we've got groups of 5 now. So we're going to do 5. And how many groups of 5 do we have? 2, because we've doubled it. So we've got that many. Oh, look, it says 10 there, and it says 10 there because it's the same answer. We've just found it out in different ways. And finally, this part is really just for the year 1s because this involves 10s and 1s. We have got a group of sticks here. How many is in our bundle of sticks? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 sticks in our bundle. Plus we also have 1. So how many sticks altogether? 10, 1 more? 11. So we've got 11. So we want to double 11. So we want to have 11 and another 11. Okay, so we need to add another lot of sticks. So I'm going to add, excuse me. I'm going to add a bundle of sticks. I'm going to draw my bundle of sticks like this. Excuse me that it's not beautiful. And then I need to have my extra 1 that I've got there. So there we go. We've got 10 and 1. We've got 11 plus another 10 and 1, 11. And all together we have got, how many bundles of sticks do we have all together? 2 bundles. So that's going to be 10 and another 10. So far we've got 10, 20, but we haven't just got 2 lots of 10, have we? We've got 2 1s as well, so let's add those on. I'm adding the ones on from over here. So we have got 10 and 1 twice. We've got 11 twice. We've just presented it in a different way. So altogether we've got 10, 20, 21, because this is worth 1, 22. 22. You might notice something about the way the numbers are written. It's an interesting pattern to spot. Okay, that's another way we can double. So if you're year 1s, you might be using 10s and 1s to find doubles today. Especially with numbers that are in their teens. You have got a board game to play today. Let's find out about that. So now you know all about doubles. You can play a board game, which is your task B today, which is all about finding doubles to 10 or 20 to get to the end of the race. So have a go with that with somebody older than you, and you might even, if you're a year 1, want to write the number sentence that goes with your doubling. You could even draw it. If it's a big number, you might want to draw, or you might want to have practical things to count, like I had my lolly sticks earlier. And when you've done task B, your task C is a problem solving task. Can you help me with my problem I've been having? Now, Mr. Keating has read 10 books. I've read 6 books so far in lockdown. We love reading. So he's read 10, I've read 6. He thinks he's read double the books I've read. I don't think that's true. Can you prove for me and show him that actually it's not true? Thank you. I thought you'd be able to help me. Now, you might want to present your answers with number sentences. You might want to show pictures. You might want to get some books and see, is that double? And that's it from me today, but there are lots of ways you can explore and play with doubles around your house. You might want to go on a doubles hunt around the house, see which doubles you can find. You might want to be building towers and then build a double of that tower. You might want to draw a doubling picture. You might want to make up a game where you have to double your points. There are loads of fun ways you can explore doubles in the world. So enjoy that. And I will not see you tomorrow because tomorrow, strangely, is a bank holiday. So you get a bit of a holiday for tomorrow. Have a nice rest, an extra day of your weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Take care. Have a lovely weekend. Bye bye.